Now on News Edge, new drones are coming to Georgia schools to combat school shooters. The drones are armed with less lethals like pepper spray and are designed to slam into attackers if need be. Beginning this fall, 5 high schools across the state will begin testing the new technology. News Edge reporter Rob Durienzo is live at the state capitol. And Rob, there's a lot of debate right now about whether this is a good idea.
That's right, Christine. Some people say it's like something out of RoboCop. You imagine these attack drones whizzing through the halls to attack a bad guy and take him down within a matter of seconds. But other people say, look, it could be worth a shot if it prevents another Appalachia. These drones are launching in 5 Georgia high schools this fall, designed to confront a school shooter.
We put about 20 to 60 drones in each school, and we put them in boxes of 3 throughout the school.
The Georgia State Legislature approved the $500,000 pilot program with the company Campus Guardian Angel. Justin Marston is the founder.
Our goals are to respond in 5 seconds, to be on the shooter in 15 seconds, and to degrade or incapacitate in 60 seconds.
So say a shooting happens. The drone launches from one of 20 to 60 boxes throughout the school, flown by a human operator in Texas. First, it makes noise. Then it deploys pepper spray. If that doesn't work,
ultimately, if somebody is covered in pepper spray but still wants to kill children, then we will hit them with the drones at speed to prevent them from doing that.
Here are the 5 schools they're going to: Forsyth Central High School in Cumming, River Ridge High School in Woodstock, Gainesville High School, Statesboro High School, and in Southeast Georgia, Coffee High School.
I don't think there's any room for treating schools as a war zone.
LaDeja Kimbrough is a recent college grad who volunteers at Everytown for Gun Safety, which advocates for stronger gun control. She says the state legislature passed on simpler measures that would keep guns out of the hands of dangerous people.
There's no proven fact or no proven evidence that this is going to help. We're skipping over more practical, inexpensive steps that have been proven to help in other states.
There is a deterrent factor. If you know that this type of protection is in the school, nobody tries arson anymore because there are sprinkler systems.
And so, Christine, right now the plan is to keep these drones in these 5 schools through the end of next school year. And at that point, the state legislature will reassess if they want to have them in more schools. That's the latest from here live at the state capitol. Rob Durienzo, Fox 5 News.
Yeah, interesting tactic. All right. Thanks so much, Rob. Drivers